Everyone thinks the best-selling Apple Watch screen protector is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, M-Band Case and Screen Protector. First up is the M-Band Bands Case Screen Protector, priced at $24.99. What caught my attention here is that it's not just a screen protector, it's a rugged cover that comes with a band. If you want all-around protection for your Apple Watch Ultra, this is worth a serious look. This product features a raised bezel and 9H tempered glass, which means you can confidently wear your watch without worrying about scratches or bumps during your daily activities. With 29,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate this level of protection. The TPU band is both comfortable and durable, fitting wrist sizes from 5.9 to 8.7 inches. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you lead an active lifestyle or work in rugged environments, this protector could save your watch from significant damage. Now, some users did mention that the band can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, if you need serious protection, the weight might be a small price to pay. Plus, the design is meant to last and withstand daily wear and tear. This is perfect for you if you're a man who values rugged style and practicality. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option for casual use. For $24.99, it offers great value for someone who needs serious protection. Now, if the weight of the M-Band bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, QCKANL J6 Pack Case. Next up is the QCKANL J6 Pack Case for $7.99. This caught my eye because it offers a full protective face cover bumper for multiple colors. If you want variety and affordability, this is definitely worth considering. With a 4.6-star rating from over 8,300 reviews, users love how easy it is to install without removing the watch bands. Here's why this matters. The snap-on design allows you to switch cases quickly and easily, which is great if you love to match your watch with your outfit. However, some reviews noted that the screen protector can occasionally lift at the edges. Here's the thing, if you're careful during installation and take your time, it usually stays put. But if you're someone who frequently changes cases, this might be a slight concern. This is perfect for you if you want multiple style options without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra durable for high-impact activities. At just $7.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a minimalist design. Product number 3, JERXUN 6-Pack Case. Now we have the JERXUN 6-Pack Case at just $7.98. What stood out to me is the ultra-thin design while still providing a good level of protection. If you want a barely there feel with solid coverage, this is worth your attention. This set is compatible with the Apple Watch Series 10 and 11 at $46. The ultra-thin hard PC bumper comes with built-in tempered glass, ensuring you won't sacrifice clarity or touch sensitivity. With a 4.5-star rating and 6,800 reviews, users appreciate how easy it is to install and remove. Here's why this matters. It allows for a seamless experience as you won't feel like you're adding bulk to your wrist. However, a few users mention that it doesn't provide as much protection against serious drops. Here's the thing, if you're primarily using your watch for workouts and daily wear, it should be fine. But if you're prone to dropping your devices, you might want to consider something more rugged. This is perfect for you if you prefer a sleek look while still keeping your watch protected. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty protection. At $7.98, it's a great value for a stylish and functional case. Now, if you value easy installation and clarity, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Commuter 3-Pack Case. Next is the Commuter 3-Pack Case, priced at $5.94. What hooked me here is how affordable it is for a pack of 3. If you're looking for budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality, this one's a great choice. This case is also compatible with the Apple Watch 40 models and features a built-in tempered glass screen protector. With a 4.5-star rating and 6,400 reviews, users love how easy it is to install without removing the watch bands, which means less hassle for you. Here's why this matters. It's convenient for those who want to protect their watch without the fuss of complicated installation. That said, some users did mention that the colors can be a bit dull compared to more premium options. Here's the thing, if you're focused more on function than style, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need multiple cases for different occasions. Skip this one if you're looking for vibrant designs. At $5.94, it offers fantastic value for a reliable protective cover. Now, if you want the absolute easiest installation, you need to check out the next product. Product number 5, Javo Yeon Screen Protector. Finally, we have the Javo Yeon 6-pack screen protector for $15.99. This one truly caught my attention because of its zero-failure installation tray. If you want a no-fuss way to protect your watch, this is definitely worth a look. Designed for the Apple Watch Series 10 and 11 at 46, these flexible soft films conform perfectly to the watch's curves. With a solid 4.5-star rating and 1,000 reviews, users rave about how easy the installation is, making it perfect for beginners. Here's why this matters. You get bubble-free installation without needing any special skills, which is a massive plus for anyone who finds installation daunting. However, a few users felt that the protection isn't as strong as tempered glass. Here's the thing, if you're very active and prone to serious impacts, this may not be your best bet. But for everyday wear, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective solution for watch protection. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty options. At $15.99, you're getting an easy install with multiple replacements for lasting protection. To wrap it up, here's a quick comparison. The M Band offers rugged protection, the QCKANLJ is great for color variety and affordability, the JERXUN gives a sleek feel, the Commuter is budget-friendly, and the Javo Yeon provides effortless installation. Each has its strengths, so it really boils down to your personal needs. Whatever you choose, make sure your Apple Watch stays protected.